Oh boy! 2 left.
Yep.
All right. Now, you're wearing a Santa hat because we're putting up Christmas decorations today.
Yeah.
So, Santa, first of all, why is Santa sitting on my lap? I should be sitting on Santa's lap. All right, Santa. So you're going to give me a good gift inside this box?
1. Ho, ho, ho.
All right.
Okay. Who's going to be?
The last one of 2. At this point, I want a tri-klops. I don't care which one. I just want to have one.
Have one. And the back of
All right. Yeah, we have cringers and other battle cats. At least we have no tri-klops of any kind. I really want one.
Small tri-klops.
Yes! Finally!
This is an actual tri-klops.
Alright, it's an uncommon. Shh. Okay. An uncommon. Alright.
Yes, the Wily tri-klops.
Here we go. Alright. We still want the common so we can have the original set. But we have... Where'd he go? Oh. But we have a tri-klops.
Yeah.
Whew. It is about time. All right. And tomorrow is it? Our last cube.
We gonna be...
Oh, I'm so tempted right now, but we're not going to do it. We're not going to do it. We're going to wait, right? Yeah. Sorry, everybody. We're going to do the last one tomorrow because if we do it now, we're going to be so upset tomorrow. We don't have any cubes left. Okay. All right. Yes. All right. Me, Nikki, and our tri-klops are out of here.